This is just a quick video on the finishing touches to this subwoofer. We do have it assembled now. All the hardest part is put together, so there is still a back piece to go on, a top piece to go on, and the plexiglass in front, and then this is where the drivers are going to be. But our heaviest 3D printed parts that give us our curvatures on the inside of the subwoofer box, they are done. So this is the first step in kind of cleaning up some of the prints. We're going to make the prints look super smooth. You're not going to be able to tell when the wood ends and the 3D prints start. So we are assembling this, cleaning it. You do some Bondo, some heavy Bondo first. Generally, from my experience, this is going to take about... So this was 4 different mixtures. So I mixed, applied, mixed, applied, mixed, applied, mixed, applied. So this is just the first step. I'll come back, sand all this off, go back with more, fill in little gaps, sand that, go back again. It'll probably be the 3rd or 4th time that I'm like, all right, it's good. But we still have, a little bit of a gap here to fill, some of that. We haven't even screwed anything up here yet, so we'll screw all this in, fill in all these little spots that came up. So it's going to wind up looking really, really clean by the time we're done. But yeah, this is the progress of the box so far. Thanks, guys.